morning everybody. So it's the 13th of December, so you know what that means. Day 13 of the advent calendar. So let's just jump straight in. So this is the mixed one, so new nail art stuff. So let's have a look and see what we've got today. Ooh, we have some golden metal snowflake slices, and they are really pretty. I like the shape of them, and they're really small as well. I like that. So let's just get them out and have a quick look. Very nice. Oh, I can open it, be alright. I like the colour gold of them. I like that. They're not like in your face gold. Really nice gold. That's annoying. Get out. No. So that is the gold colour that they are. They're really pretty. I really like them. And again, they're super tiny. So, and you get a lot. So yeah, let's have a look at what's in the glitter one. Are you ready? Oh, some snowballs. Look at that. Iridescent snowballs. So they are little hexagons, but I like that she's called them snowballs. That is cute. And it's 3 grams. Super duper cute. Oh, that's cute. I like them. I like the name. The name is super cute. So these will go with the snowmen, won't they? The snowmen from the other day. They would go with that. Wow, look how reflective they are. They're even reflecting on my dish. Wow. Yeah, I suppose I better just quickly do something with the snowballs. Shall I use them? I don't know. I will be back. Okay, these are the glitter mixes from today. So we had the golden metal snowflake slices. So this is what I did. Nothing fancy, just popped them on and just did a quick stamp. This stamp says all that glitters is snow. So that is what they look like. And then I did the snowballs, and I just did a really quick let it snow stamp, and yeah, just encapsulated them. Yeah, just really quick. Nothing, you know, nothing fancy or anything like that. Just something to sort of, I don't know. That's just what I did. So let me know your thoughts down below on these two glitter mixes. Well, glitter mixes, the two new items, shall I say. So the metal slices and the snowballs. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video today, and hopefully you'll join me tomorrow morning, and we'll see what we're going to get tomorrow. Well, thank everybody so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.